Welcome to Math Lab. This moment we are looking at what this number given to us means. Negative 10x squared y power 5 z. What does this mean? Now, I want us to go back to the simple introduction, which is c power 4. What does this mean? So it means c times c times c times c. This is c power 4 written in the simplest form. Then if we have m squared, n squared, what does it mean? It means m times n times n, written in the simplest form. So in case you have now our given example which has a coefficient of 10, which is negative 10x squared y power 5 z, what does this mean now? It means we are going to take negative 10 times x, those are 2x or x squared, times y times y times y times y times y times z. This is what this expression means if it is given to you in algebra to simplify or to work out or to solve. This is what it means. So continue to like our channel and subscribe to it for more videos that are coming ahead.